Hello guys, can you hear me? I take that as a yes. So, I'm just scrolling yesterday for a Nerf gun and I just found this Nerf gun rifle for only 500 pesos, so I'm just really curious if this is original or knockoff, so I just bought it, but there's no Nerf bullets. That's why I'm so disappointed. But it works. So if this video gets 5,000 likes, I will do a part 2 of this rifle. But for now, I'm just going to details. You can read it. You're a good eyesight. Can you read it? I can't read it. Okay. Oh shoot! This is knockoff. It's really nice. But it's cool though. So 500. I mean 5,000 likes. I will do a part of this rifle. So stay tuned. Bye bye.